You reach out to pet your dog, and they move away. Just slightly, just enough. You tell yourself they're tired, distracted, just being a dog. But neuroscience tells a different story. That small movement isn't random, it's a signal. And if you know how to read it, it will change how you see your entire relationship with your dog. 10,000 years ago, trust wasn't a feeling, it was a survival mechanism. The wolves who first edged toward human campsites weren't being friendly. They were making a calculated biological bet. The ones who could read human intention accurately, who could distinguish a safe hand from a dangerous one, lived longer, reproduced more, passed that sensitivity down through generations. That's your dog's nervous system, designed over millennia to detect the difference between a trustworthy presence and a threat. And it still runs that same ancient software every single day. Which means when your dog shows signs of distrust, it's not a personality quirk. It's their deepest biological intelligence speaking. Here are 8 signs your dog's trust system is sending you a signal, and exactly what to do about each one. Sign 1. They lean away when you approach. Not dramatically, just a centimeter or two. A quiet shift in weight toward the exit. This is the freeze-flight continuum activating in real time. Researchers at the University of Helsinki, in one of the largest dog cognition studies ever conducted, found that dogs with secure human attachment consistently orient toward their owners during mild stress. Dogs with compromised trust do the opposite. They create distance. The fix is simple, but it requires patience. Stop approaching. Let them come to you. Sit on the floor, turn sideways, and wait. The most powerful thing you can do for a distrustful dog is remove the pressure of your expectation entirely. Sign 2. The nose lick that happens right after they look at you. Most people miss this completely. That quick tongue flick isn't thirst. It's a self-soothing behavior, a calming signal first documented by Norwegian ethologist Turid Rugas. It's the canine equivalent of a person clearing their throat when they're nervous, a micro-release of internal tension. When you see it, soften your body, drop your shoulders, break eye contact first. You're communicating, in their language, that you are not a threat. It's a small gesture, but to your dog, it is everything. Sign 3. They sleep near you, but never deeply. Here's where the science gets genuinely surprising. A dog in your room, even on your bed, can still show signs of deep distrust because proximity is not the same as safety. A 2020 study from the Mayo Clinic Sleep and Circadian Neuroscience Institute found that dogs allowed to sleep in the bedroom produced measurable oxytocin increases in their owners, the bonding hormone. But dogs who remained in a state of vigilant, light sleep throughout the night showed elevated cortisol markers the following day. Your dog was there, but they were never safe. The fix is consistency. Same place, same time, same pre-sleep ritual. Even something as simple as a brief massage along the base of the ears, which directly stimulates the vagus nerve and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, can begin to shift their baseline from guarded to genuinely at rest. Sign 4. They yawn when you're trying to interact. Not because they're bored, because they're overwhelmed. Yawning in dogs is a displacement behavior, a way of releasing stress when the nervous system hits its ceiling. If your dog yawns while you're playing, training, or simply trying to connect, they're not relaxed, they're coping. Shorten your sessions, end them on their terms occasionally. Let the interaction be a space they're free to leave, and watch how quickly